Bring Ra Pitpita na ba ng bayag? Sige palagto, baka di kayo na-inform na ngayon ay halimaw na yung batang uhugin na dati nyong in-ignore. Bilang patunay na di kayo mag-iihanay sa dati nyong in-small. Ngayon sa lakas ko pag bumundol, yan ay hanggang Japan pag nagpalindol. Kamusta lahat ng mapagmaliit? Ngayon yung subukan manlait ulit. Ganyan lang talaga yung mga inggit, galit na galit sila sa malulupit. Kaya pasensya pag may nahagip, sarap ba sa piling ano masakit? Ganyan talaga paglabad sa loob mong humanga at pagtakot mo bumili. Puta diba napakasaklap? Ginigiit na wala kong talento pero isa ka sa napalakpak. Sige-tigilan nakak
Drop the place, turn up the bass and 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 up the bass. And we will end your week just like a Sunday. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Relax and blaze the fire, make it fun then. We must up the place, turn up the bass and make some fun. Why run? And we will end.
Sobrang init na kailangan ko ng ice. Hindi pwedeng mawala, nag-i-improvise. Mata sobrang tuos, look into my eyes. If that pussy good, I'ma hit it twice.
And you were my baby. It started when we were younger. You were my boo.
Weed good, I'm a fat man. Feed it chewing drugs like Pac-Man. TNT on your Walkman. You ain't fucking with it, you can take a walk, man. Take a walk.
I'm so fresh, ay, nasa Everest, ay, high above the rest, ay, haters mga pest, ay, every day I grind, ay, one puff para safe, ay. Sobrang init na kailangan ko ng ice. Hindi pwedeng mawala, nag-i-improvise. Mata sobrang tuos, look into my eyes. If that pussy good, I'ma hit it twice.